HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber. This is gonna clean up your house real good. At least we hope so anyways. And out of the box, first thing is this baggie that's gonna hold all the accessories. Next is the pole. Oh, look at that. It's got this elasticy thing that you oh, and it extends. And then all the attachments, a pad, a brush. This is gonna hold this pad, I would assume, like so. Yep, Velcro it together. Ah, that's very sticky, wow. That's gonna work. You got a smaller brush and an even smaller one. USB-C cable. Oh, and then that's it right there. Look how tiny that is. Oh, we got more pads. This guy, it's like a buffering one, or this is the buffering one. I don't know. I don't clean my house, so I don't know what any of this stuff's gonna do. You're not gonna get a lot of hand fatigue using this, but in the back, there's a cover, and of course that is gonna be the USB-C port. On top is the power button, and it's going. Hit it again. Oh, that's 2 modes. Okay, well that was neat, but let's put some stuff on here. And all you have to do is just, oh, that's delightful. That's easy. That stays on there. To take it off, you just push these 2 things and comes off. Ooh, HOTO. You done good with this one. Scrub my face. That's nice. Babes, you're gonna like this. Look at this. It's tiny. Come on in here. I wanna show the world your expression on your face, because we have one of these, but it's twice as heavy and it's huge. And when she does her cleanings, she don't like it because her wrist gets sore. So come on over here, get in here. It's my wife, she's coming to YouTube with me. So look at that, just feel that.
Well, that's nice.
Isn't that cool? These 2 buttons here, pops off, bam. Look at this, just push it on.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm gonna go clean some stuff now. We're gonna clean our children's tub, and we haven't been up there in years, so it could be bad. That Velcro is some of the best Velcro-y things, Velcro-y whatever stickiness I've ever seen. And then we have the 2 small ones, which it's the same size. So same size as this, just different heads. So if you wanna really get into your grout areas, you got this one. So now some stats. This has a 110-minute runtime. It's IPX7 waterproof. This gives you 2.5 Newton meters of torque. Babes, I'm gonna tell you something else. Guess how many revolutions per minute that is doing right now. If you said 220, you'd be right. Oh, I'm sorry, no. Guess how many revolutions that is right there.
220.
Correct. Guess how many that is.
350.
300. 300 revolutions per minute, guys.
0.
Well, of course, because I turned it off.
Yeah.
It's kind of a no-brainer. The ergonomic angle of that is 45 degrees, and they say, I'm talking to my wife behind the camera, that that's going to relieve the stresses on your wristicles. So instead of like really getting down in there like, you're just like, oh, okay. Oh, that's nice, right? Guess how much this weighs?
It felt to be about 3.5 pounds.
Oh, you are way off. 1.76 pounds. How long would you guess it'll recharge?
4 hours.
180 minutes, which is 60, 120, like 2.5 hours. Did you know that it has free shipping and a 1-year warranty? Did you also know that it's good for sinks, floors, fish tanks, and stoves? We could use this in the kitchen to clean our stove.
Never put that on the stove.
No, this. Or this one. They have the Scotch-Brite.
That's terrifying.
What about this one?
I paid a lot of money for that.
This is a sponge. It'd be nice on the stove. Did you know that this here adjusts from 37 to 51 inches? Now you do. And did you also know it connects on the very back of this, which that's where the charge port is, which is interesting. So if you just line this up, and there you go. These guys have really thought of it all. So let's go clean some stuff now, shall we? To the bathroom. Look at this gook and pucky. I don't know what all that stuff is, but
shampoo and conditioner.
we're just gonna go ahead and just spray all that down there. And it goes to automatically level 2.
Okay.
Oh.
Nice.
45-degree angle, look at that. Doing work.
I'm getting splattered.
That actually is working pretty good.
It wants to go in circles.
It does. Is it hard to control?
No, it's not bad.
Oh, it's taking care of that white stuff though. So better if you hold it with 2 hands.
Yeah.
This is where we scrubbed. That's where we didn't scrub. Scrubbed, scrub. And then this wall is now clean and there's no Gookenpuckies on there.
Yeah.
Okay, well, go ahead and finish the rest of the house now.